Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials: an iPad running iPadOS 14 or later and Bluetooth enabled. Once done, make sure the controller has at least 20% charge. Power the controller off if it's linked to a switch, then press and hold the sync button. Hold until LEDs begin to flash. While the lights blink, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. This starts Discovery. You are initiating the iPad to search. Stay focused, because timing matters when the device appears. When the controller's name appears under Available Devices, tap it to pair. You'll see a brief confirmation prompt. Accept it. Once paired, the iPad should show Connected. If you see a connecting icon, wait a few seconds because Bluetooth handshakes can take time. After connection, open a lightweight game or a controller tester to verify buttons and sticks respond. If inputs are laggy, move closer or remove interference. Make sure Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices aren't crowding the channel. Complete setup by confirming controller works across apps, and then you can remap buttons in supported games. If something fails, try this key troubleshooting step. Forget the controller in iPad settings Bluetooth, power cycle both devices, then re-enter sync mode and pair again. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, restart the iPad, ensure no active switch connection, and consider checking for controller firmware updates. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.